One day, a king decided to test his people. He wanted to know whether his people had a sense of responsibility or not. So one early morning, he disguised himself and set out to wander the streets of his kingdom. When he reached the main road, he put a gold coin and a letter in the middle of the road and placed a big stone on them. The king had written the following message in the letter:
An award to a responsible citizen who knows his duty.
The king hid himself behind a tree to see whether anyone cared to remove the stone from the middle of the road. After a while, a milkman came down the road. He had a can of milk with him, and he was so busy singing that he did not notice the stone lying in the middle of the road. The milkman stumbled over the stone and spilled the milk. The milkman lost his temper and grumbled,
"Which fool has put such a big stone in the middle of the road?"
cursing the person who had put the stone there. The milkman went his way, though he had suffered a loss due to that stone lying in the middle of the road. He did not take the trouble to remove it from there. A coach came down the road. The coachman was merrily singing a song, and he did not notice the stone in the middle of the road. One of the wheels of the coach hit against the stone, and the coach almost overturned. The passengers of the coach fell out. However, they escaped with only a few bruises. The angry coachman shouted,
"How irresponsible the people of this city are! They never think of others. If I catch hold of the heartless man who has put the stone here, I will certainly break his bones."
The passengers climbed back into the coach, and the coachman proceeded without removing the stone. Meanwhile, a farmer came there with his bullock cart. Suddenly he noticed the stone in the middle of the road. He drove his bullock cart to one side of the road in such a way that the wheel would not hit against the stone. He proceeded safely. He, too, cursed the person who had put the stone in the middle of the road. But he did not take the trouble to remove it from there. After some time, a group of women came there with pots of water on their heads. As they were walking, one of the women stumbled over the stone, fell down and spilled all the water. She got up and went her way limping. Yet, not a single woman thought of removing the stone from the middle of the road. The king saw many people passing by that stone. Many of them stumbled over it, but not one of them thought of lifting it and putting it away on a side. The king felt that no one was lucky enough to get the gold coin put under the stone. The king came out of his hiding place. He picked up the stone, put it on a side, took the gold coin and the letter, and returned to his palace. The king now realized that if he wanted to make his people disciplined and responsible citizens, he had to enforce strict administration and governance. Moral: wherever we go, we should do our duty as responsible citizens. We should think, I am responsible. It's my duty while we do our work.